Welcome back to TechKidFX for another Fantom price prediction update, which at the time of this recording is holding below the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart and also below a key significant low at around the $0.3958 mark. We have also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures, where you can see that I have this Elliot wave structure in blue, where we have been seeing a bit of a breakdown in the formation of this wave 2 in a move that has now managed to get into the minimum retracement area, highlighted here on the charts using this red target area. And all this is playing out after we fully peaked in the formation of that first wave in a move that gave us a high at around the $0.5325 mark. And in the formation of this wave 2, which is a corrective wave, we have also been seeing an ABC corrective structure because of the corrective nature in the formation of that wave 2, where I'm terming this as the wave A, then a wave B, and finally my move that I have been expecting in my previous videos, where I said to you that I'm expecting a low below the low for this wave A at around the $0.3958 mark, has finally played out. And you can see at the time of this recording, we have a new low at around the $0.3768 mark in the formation of this wave C, in a move that could be giving us the new low for this wave 2, and then from there we can start expecting higher prices in the formation of that wave 3 to the upper side. And before I get further into the technical analysis to give you the short-term scenarios, allow me to first also give you the long-term expectations here on the Fantom chart. And before I do so, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And you can see that after seeing our low down there, we started this massive bounce to the upside, obeying the Elliot wave structures, where you can see that we saw a 5-wave move to the upside, having the wave 5 giving us a peak at around the $0.65 mark, and also completed the formation of that larger Elliot wave count 1 of this Elliot wave structure right here in yellow. And having seen the formation of that first wave, whatever we expected next was a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2, where you can see that we were able to get into the minimum retracement area, highlighted on the chart using this yellow target area. And after seeing our low on the 23rd of March, we started the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 3 on the long-term scenarios. And in the formation of this wave 3, because of its impulsive nature, I have also been expecting to see a 5-wave structure in formation. And that's the reason as to why I have this micro Elliot wave count in blue, which is a micro Elliot wave count within the formation of this wave 3. Where my primary scenario is that we are still in the formation of this wave 2, and at the time of this recording you have seen that we have made one more new low in that ABC corrective structure, meaning that we have now satisfied the corrective move that I have been expecting. But that doesn't mean that we have now seen the low for that second wave. We don't have any confirmations for that, and there are still chances of seeing further breakdown until we fully maximize our target area, which lies between the $0.4176 mark and the $0.3541 mark. So there are high chances that these might not be the low for that second wave, and there are chances that we might continue seeing further breakdown to the area at around the $0.3541 mark. And maybe from that point we can see a reversal, then continue gearing up in the formation of that wave 3. And in case we lose our red target area over here, we also need to have in mind that we can also have a more bearish scenario here on the Fantom chart in case we lose this red target area, where we could have a reset of this higher Elliot wave count 2 right here in yellow, which is giving me the long-term expectations, where we can bottom out within this blue target area once more and get a low below the low at around the $0.3 mark. So we also need to have that in mind and also be prepared for a worst case scenario here on the Fantom chart. And also taking a look at the indicators on the 4-hour RSI, we are trading at around the 29 mark, meaning we are just about to get into the oversold region. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bearish cross suggesting lower prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.